I think, Pratibha, we can start because again, it's a 40-minute session. It might end soon. Meanwhile, the participants will keep on joining.
Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. We understand that interviews can be both exciting and nerve cracking, but with the right preparation, you can increase your chance to get hired. Let's get started on the journey to interview excellence. Today we have Suman Pathak, an HR professional, soft skill trainer with an experience of more than 4 years. She has trained more than 10,000 students and also helped students crack interviews. So I would like to welcome her and request her to start the session.
Thank you so much, Pratibha. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. So, hello, viewers. Hello, learners. This is me, Suman Pathak. So, today's topic is about how you can crack your job interview. So, just to request everyone, can you all please put on your videos so that I can see everyone, if that is possible for you? Yes, I have right now Pinky, Kundan, Kajal, Chanchal, Shivani, Ria. Okay. So everyone, I would just like to know everyone from detail that how many of you all are currently looking for cracking a job interview and also looking for placement? I think you are at the right platform. My voice is not reachable. Pratibha, am I audible clearly? Kajal,
Yes,
Pinky,
yes,
can you
yes,
all hear
ma'am,
me?
you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you all can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
great, great. So maybe,
Pinky, kindly check your internet connection.
yes.
Maybe it's that.
Okay, maybe there might be issue at your end. Please have a check on your network. Okay, so yes, today's topic is about how you can crack your interview, be it you are a student right now or already a working professional looking to switch to a new job. I think interview preparation is very much in need these days. So today's session is all about it. Let me just share my screen with you all to give you a better clarity on how you can ace your interview. I hope my screen is visible. Can I get a confirmation?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, yes.
Okay, great, great, great. So, in lieu of, I'm representing Know Your Talent and also from Job Sahi Hai. Today, we have extended this webinar to enrich your knowledge on how you can crack your interview and ensure that you get your jobs right at your hand. So, it's very important to first understand. I think a very lovely quote has been given by Walt Disney that all your dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपके ड्रीम्स पूरे हों तो आपके आपके अंदर वो करेजमेंट होना चाहिए. आप उस अपने ड्रीम को पूरा करने के लिए यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड एंड परस्यू इट. सो नीडलेस टू वेस्ट द टाइम, लेट्स डायरेक्टली जंप ऑन टू how you can crack the interview process, how you can do it with multiple stages in interview process. It's very important to understand कि हर एक stage of interview process में you can learn a lot of things and this will definitely help you to crack in no time. Okay, so whenever you go for an interview, it is very important to understand there is a prior preparation. एक इंटरव्यू के लिए आप प्रिपेयर करते हो और एक इंटरव्यू के बाद आपका क्या प्रिपरेशन होना चाहिए. टुडे इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ऑल. So to start with, of course, you have to first go for an ice-breaking situation wherein you go and meet the interviewer, you have a small talk with them, and eventually that becomes your first era of creating your first impression, right? Then eventually the process of the interview starts with the interviewer will ask you question. आपकी strength क्या है, weaknesses क्या है, what are your ability, what are your skills, what exactly is your goal related to joining our company. So this is how the progress goes, right? So ultimately, there are three things that are involved. Number one, of course, the intro session. The second part is nothing. Yes. So I hope the language is not a barrier. English and Hindi works for all the audience. Can I get a thumbs up for English, Hindi, or any other language which you wish to know about? I think Pratibha, English and Hindi works.
यस मैम, हिंदी में भी चलेगा और इंग्लिश में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मे बी।
Okay. So I want to address
अगर किसी को
all-
प्रॉब्लम है इंग्लिश में तो वो आप चैट में बता सकते हैं।
Yes. So I want to cater to both the audience. हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में आपको मैं बताना चाहूंगी. अगर आपको कहीं पे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, please let me know. Please write in the chat box. All the queries will be answered in no time. Okay? Yes. To begin with, that of course one is your part and the second comes the organization. Why should the organization hire you? Of course आप interview के लिए जा रहे हो, एक आपका motive है to get hired, and of course the other motive of the employer is to hire you and use your skills and competency in their company. तो कहीं ना कहीं the stage process is very clear. You go for an interview, the interviewer or the recruiters tries to know about your knowledge, your qualification, your interest in that position, and then comes, why do you want to join the company? Why do you want to join this particular organization? So this is nothing but this is the stage of interview process. Now the next part that comes in is, I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 second. Yes. So now the next part that comes in this process is what exactly you need to do in this interview process. So like I mentioned, एक होता है before interview, एक होता है what sort of preparation you need during the interview, and what preparation would you need for after the interview. So I'm going to go one by one in detail. If anyone is having any questions, please ask. Fine? Yes. To begin with, of course, अगर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो, number one, the most important aspect is to research about the employer. यहाँ पे research का मतलब maybe what do you exactly need to know about the employer. अगर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो और आपके पास employer के बारे में आइडिया ही नहीं है, how do you think you will get a chance of selection? No, the possibility becomes zero. Right? So it's very important that you do a proper research. Now, आपका सवाल मुझसे ये होना चाहिए कि मैम research कैसे करेंगे? How do you need to do the research? So kindly refer this potential idea, that is directly go on Google. You get an opportunity to just type the name of the company. Our Google Analytics are very clear. They give the company size, the tenure, the revenue, what exactly. Even you search on Wikipedia, your point gets clear, right? So the very first aspect when you do research is historical and financial background. कंपनी का मिशन क्या है, कंपनी का विजन क्या है, कंपनी चाहती क्या है, अगर कंपनी सोसाइटी को कुछ प्रोवाइड करना चाहती है तो उनका थीम क्या है, उनका मिशन क्या है, विजन क्या है, फाइनेंशियली कंपनी कितनी वेल टू डू है. दिस इज वन ऑफ अ major aspect. Then let's divide it in two aspects, macro and micro. Macro मतलब बड़ा picture, micro मतलब just छोटे छोटे specifications. So when it comes to macro, आप कंपनी के बारे में क्या जानना चाहते हो, कंपनी का मार्केट में पोजीशन क्या है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द कल्चर दैट द कंपनी इज ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रे. ये हो गया अ बिगर पिक्चर. देन कम्स द माइक्रो पिक्चर. व्हाट इज इट लाइक वर्किंग फॉर द कंपनी, कंपनी का रूल क्या है, रेगुलेशन क्या है, कंपनी के एथिक्स क्या है, प्रिंसिपल्स क्या है, कितने एम्प्लॉयज ऑलरेडी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, कंपनी की रेटिंग क्या है, एम्प्लॉय ने रेटिंग कितनी दी है. For example, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. Company is good in the culture. Company gives a good salary. So Glassdoor and Indeed are two platforms which can give you a very much idea about what exactly is the company all about. इवन अगर आप जॉब प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जाते हो, जैसे अगर आप इंडीड पे जाते हो, naukri.com पे जाते हो, आप वहां पे एम्प्लॉयर के बारे में रिसर्च कर सकते हो. यू ऑल्सो गेट अ टैब वेर इन नो अबाउट द एम्प्लॉयर. वहां पे एम्प्लॉयर के अबाउट में दिया रहेगा कि कंपनी क्या करती है, कंपनी के रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या क्या है आपको लेकर, और कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज ने उस कंपनी के बारे में क्या रेटिंग दी है. एवरीथिंग इज क्लियरली रिटन. So whenever you do research, you should do research on these things, right? Then comes another important aspect कि आप जिस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए. As in, you need to know the job description of the particular job you are applying for. For example, let's say अगर आप मार्केटिंग पोजीशन के लिए जा रहे हो और कंपनी डील्स विथ मार्केटिंग एंड कंसल्टेशन, तो आपके जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट में या जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है उसके बारे में आपको थरो नॉलेज होना चाहिए, ताकि जब भी अगर आपको एम्प्लॉयर पूछे कि आप ये पर्टिकुलर जॉब क्यों करना चाहते हो, व्हाई आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर जॉब इन माय कंपनी, so you should have an answer based on the job description they have given. So I think it is very clear to you all. Research is very important. Next, knowing about the job description is also something which everyone should work on. Yes, exactly. This is what I was trying to say. Review the job description and be able to match your experience in education. अब आप में बहुत सारे लोग freshers भी होंगे, experienced भी होंगे. So for a fresher, आपके पास as such कोई experience नहीं है. So what are you going to highlight? What are you going to talk about? You are going to talk about your skills and competency. वो मैं आगे anyways cover करने वाली हूँ, तो आपको एक clarity मिल जाएगी. I hope these points are clear with you. Chanchal, Kundan, Rajan, Riya, Shivani.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Now it's very important कि इंटरव्यू में आप प्रिपरेशन तो कर रहे हो, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हाउ यू लुक फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. योर इंटरव्यू अटायर शुड बी अप्रोप्रिएट, राइट? So let's identify what sort of attire works for an interview. Just let me scroll the slide for you. Fine. So it's very important that you dress for success. Now, for women, it's different attire. For men, it's different attire. So let's check out one by one. So when it comes to men's attire, how many male members or how many male participants do we have here? Okay, Vivek, Roshan, Rajan, Kundan. Yes. So for men who are looking forward to go for an interview, I think these are some do's and don'ts that you need to follow. So when it comes to don't, of course, you should have a well-groomed hair. Of course, a lot of people earlier, I have seen a lot of people saying that if you're going for an interview, you need to shave and clean. So no, I don't think that is really applicable. If you think that the beard looks great on you, please carry on that. But then, yes, it should be well-groomed. So there's a difference between well-groomed and well-shaved. So it's up to, again, on your face structure. If you wish to have a beard, it should be well groomed. If you have a certain texture of hair, it should be well combed. Okay. Then, of course, whenever you if you're wearing a formal attire, you need to have, either you can wear a blazer, or either, depending upon the weather condition, if it's too hot, of course, you can't wear a blazer, but then at least you can wear a formal shirt and a pant. Okay, so these are some of, and yes, shoes and formal shoes and socks is something which is major requirement. Of course, you can see a slide that says what you don't need to do is basically a lot of tattoos, revealing of tattoos, a lot of piercings, a very heavy watch, which is trying to distract. Again, what is the purpose behind? आपके ऐसे कोई अटायर से जिससे डिस्ट्रैक्शन ना हो, दैट इज व्हाट इज द पर्पस. अगर मैं आपका इंटरव्यू ले रही हूँ और आपसे ज्यादा मुझे आपकी चीजें दिख रही हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you are talking to me and I can see a piercing, you're talking to me, you're waving your hand and I could see your tattoos all around you. So more than you, I will be glued towards those tattoos. More than your face, I will be glued towards that earring. So avoid doing certain things which might be distracting to the opposite person in front of you. That is the recruiter. So always ensure कि आप ऐसे कुछ कपड़े या फिर ऐसे कोई अटायर ना ऑप्ट करे जिससे आगे वाला डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए. The purpose still remains the same. Okay. Now going ahead with also giving you an idea about what exactly do you need to follow. I hope all the men around here in the session now are clear with what you need to follow and what you don't. I hope it is clear. Can I get a thumbs up on it? Yes. So yes, the point remains very clear. So if possible, wear a suit to the interview. Your belt and your shoes should have the same color. अगर आपने black shoe पहना है formal, your belt also should be in black color. And if you're wearing a tie, again, too much of neon color, too much of bright color should always be avoided. Okay. Of course, your wedding ring, or if you're wearing a watch which is of a heavy dial, I think formal watch आजकल बहुत आने लगे हैं. You can wear I think we have a lot of watches coming up. So either you can choose certain watch which is not having a very heavy strap, या बहुत ज्यादा आपके स्ट्रैप में डिजाइन ना बना हो, बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड मेटेलिक ना दिखे. So try avoiding certain kind of watches. And of course, a wedding ring आप पहन सकते हो, but again, a wedding ring having too much of jewelry, or say अगर आपने हाथों में rings पहना है and it has a lion coming up, so those things should definitely be avoided. Try to wear minimum of accessories, even either in your hand or in your neck or in any form. Okay. From head to toe, of course, your hair should be well groomed and shoes should be polished. A lot of time happens that freshers generally, they wear formals, but they forget to polish it well. And let me mind you, everyone, these days, everything is noticed from top to bottom. Even if you're coming for an interview, people notice each and everything. They even notice even your nails are properly cut or not. I mean, इतने बारीकी से जाते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये इंश्योर करना पड़ेगा that wherever you are going for an interview, not just for an interview, even if you are at your workplace, you should always maintain that dress code. You should always maintain that decorum, right? Okay, now going ahead with, let's talk about how for a woman dressing etiquette is important for an interview. Again, if you can see the slide clearly, I don't think I have to explain it much, but just for the audience to have a grabbing point, of course, whenever it comes to hair, your hair should be again well combed. A lot of people say that you should tie a bun, you should put something. So rather than that, if you have a long hair, all you need to do is a well-groomed attire looks much better. A well-groomed hair, again, आपने अगर बहुत सारे neon colors अपने hair पे लगाए हैं, so again, people will get distracted and they'll start looking at your hair. So to avoid that, minimum of hair color is what you can choose. Oh yes, I also forgot one thing. For men, again, pastel colors and color combination of जैसे बोलता है ना, एक अपर, अगर आपने अपर बॉडी लाइटर क्लॉथ वेयर किया है तो लोअर बॉडी हैज टू बी अ डार्कर. सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट. And the best color for men also can be blue, gray, and white. I think these three colors are very much suitable for men, and even it goes similar for the women also. Okay. So again, for women, less of color on the hair. I think a well combed hair always looks better. So now coming down to the necklaces. And any jewelry or accessories you're wearing. So minimum of jewelry, no flashing of too much of makeup. I think a lot of people these days, I think there is a trend called no makeup look, right? I think a lot of women out here can relate. These days we have a no makeup look. I think that is something which is well suited. Too much of heavy makeup, too much of eyeliner, and too much of mascara, and too much of blushes, I think that never goes in an interview. It should be all minimum, or even a no makeup attire you can follow, right? So now coming to earrings and watches. Again, women, you have to ensure that whatever earrings you're wearing are not flashy. It shouldn't be too much of shining. It should be limited. Even a small stud is something which you can wear. Okay. And if you have any piercing, I think one set of earring is something which is visible. Any other form of piercing should be avoided because that doesn't look formal. It's your personal choice to have piercing, but if you are going for an interview, avoid having all sort of piercings. That is what something I would highlight. Yes. Now coming to the pattern of the shirt. See, as women, we have two attires which we can follow. One, either it can be a full formal blazer, trousers, shirts and pants, but also we have another formal, that is Indian wear. A lot of women might not be too much comfortable with wearing blazers and shirts. So we also have option of wearing kurti and a straight pant, of course. Now that kurti can't be too much of flashy, too much of design, too much of revelation, because I think women compared to men have a lot of option when it comes to clothing, right? I think you all would agree on this. Yes. So a well-fitted Indian wear is also something which is applicable. But yes, now it matters is the color tone. You can't have neon, pink and red and maroon. No, it should be a light pastel color. Pastel color is nothing but all the lighter shades and less of prints. If you have too much of print, more than looking at you, the dress would be looked upon. So to avoid that, have only a little bit of printing or little floral printing, or even a plain color goes very well. Avoid wearing a black color. Always try to use a minimum pastel colors, even if you're wearing an Indian wear. Okay. Now, coming to the other different parts, that is the purse and the shoes. I think even for women, it goes very important that if you're trying to match your footwear with your handbag, that goes well. But if not, I think black is something which goes common on any attire. So if you are going for an interview, ensure that if you're wearing a shoe or if you're wearing a sandal, it shouldn't be more than 2 inches. 2 to 3 inches is acceptable. If you're wearing a stelluti, or if you're wearing a 7 inches, 6 inches heel, I think even you would be uncomfortable, and at the same time, the person who is taking your interview might also notice it. So avoid wearing too much of a high heel or any heels which is more than 3 or 4 inches. Okay. Apart from that, I think when it comes to hygiene, it is equally applicable to men. Avoid having too much of heavy deodorant or certain deodorant that is, I think, आप आओ आपसे पहले आपका deodorant चल के आ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should have minimum or a very mild deodorant so that whenever you are around anyone, it feels fresh and good, right? So wear a very light perfume. It is applicable for both men as well as women. Now, coming to, of course, I think this is very basic. Hum sabko pata hai, if you're wearing a formal shirt, it should be well ironed. It should be button up. You should not have 3-4 buttons open. It should all be covered. At least just one button is open. That works. And now coming to the footwear. Again, closed toe footwear is preferred. Again, nude tone का अगर आप footwear पहन रहे हो तो better होगा. If you're wearing a neon or if you're wearing a orange shade footwear, I think आपसे पहले आपका footwear दिखेगा and the person might get distracted. Okay, so I hope the attire part is clear with everyone. Can I get a thumbs up? Same. Yes. How many participants do we have? Yes, Abhishek, Chanchal, Kajal, Pinky. I hope it is clear with you all, the attire part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So till now we covered that what we have to do prior to our interview. Number 1, research about the company. You should be aware about the job description, and of course, your attire, your interview etiquette in form of your dressing sense should be followed well. Okay. Now, going ahead with further part, which talks about, 1 second. Yes. So this is something which I would like to highlight. In case if you can wear a certain attire, if you're wearing a pencil skirt, well and good. If not, you can wear a full pant. So now you can clearly see, I don't think I have to explain it too much. This is what you don't need to do, and this is what you need to do. It should be, again, less of jewelry. 2-piece suits work. And if you're wearing a pencil skirt, you can also carry a stockings, which is again of a lighter color. We shouldn't wear something like this, heavy makeup or bright colors, short capris or open toe shoes. I think this is something which you should always avoid. Fine. Now, what exactly happens when you are not able to perform in your interview, or what happens when it goes to a bad impression? And I think poor personal appearance, likewise I talk about what you don't need to do. नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड, अगर आपके पास एक्सक्यूजेस है, अरे सर मैं लेट हो गया, अरे मैम मैं लेट हो गई आते हुए, अगर आप अच्छे से बिहेव नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर आपका एटीट्यूड सही नहीं है, देयर इज नो एंथुजियाज्म, देयर इज नो इंटरेस्ट, अगर आपने कंपनी के बारे में प्रिपरेशन ही नहीं की है, these things become a reason of creating a bad impression. Like I mentioned, first impression is the last impression, but अगर आपका पहला ही impression कुछ ऐसा निकलेगा, there are high chances that you might get rejected for a particular interview, right? So it's very important that you should prepare well. There should be a smile on your face. There you should follow all the personal appearance properly. you should have complete knowledge about your role. अगर आप कोई अपने स्किल्स का एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं, आपको वो एग्जाम्पल्स अच्छे से देना होगा. यू शुडंट फेल इन दैट. हमेशा पैसों के बारे में बात करना. लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉक अबाउट, ओके आई हैव अर्नड दिस मच. दिस इज फॉर द पीपल हु मे बी एक्सपीरियंस. ओके आई हैव अर्नड दिस मच, आई हैव दिस, आई हैव बंगला है, गाड़ी है, पैसा है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स, probably this might create a bad impression. So avoid talking more on money or rewards part. Okay. And if you again have a lack of career plan, this also creates a very bad impression, right? So to avoid that, please ensure that you are well prepared for your interview. Now, these are some points which I would like to highlight when you start for your interview. Of course, you have to reach to interview 10 to 15 minutes prior. ये तो हर जगह का rule होता है. If you're going and meeting your interviewer, you should have a firm handshake. Now, there is very important point, that is, if there is a woman who is the interviewer, never raise your hands first. This is for men. अगर आप एक opposite gender के person से मिल रहे हो, who is the interviewer, never raise your hands first. Let the other person first raise the hand. Okay? उनको हाथ मिलाने का मौका दीजिए. आप पहले हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे. अगर वो मिला रहे हैं तो it should be a very firm handshake. Okay?
खैनी कहाँ पहले था?
खैनी एक ही वो खैनी. Mute yourself. Yes. So again, you have to maintain a very good eye contact and a posture. Now, posture should be straight. You should not slouch, or you should not like एकदम जैसे हम पार्क में चल रहे हो वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should have a very good eye contact and a posture. Of course, energy आपको रखना पड़ेगा, and you have to speak very clearly whatever your points would be. So now let's come to the main business. That is what you have to do during the interview, right? Okay, so let me tell you some facts that जो भी इंटरव्यूअर होता है या जो भी एम्प्लॉयर हायर कर रहा होता है, वो ये 5 एस्पेक्ट्स को ध्यान में रखता है आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर, राइट? अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स वर्क एक्सपीरियंस आपको काउंट नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर आप एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, एक्सपीरियंस का 36% वो काउंट करते हैं आपके परफॉर्मेंस में. आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्या था ये काउंट करते हैं. So that is 24%. आपका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड क्या है, that is 12%. Then what are your professional qualification? उस चीज का 10% काउंट होता है. So always ensure जब भी आपको वो रेटिंग कर रहे होंगे, ये सारे एस्पेक्ट पे वो आपकी रेटिंग एज वेल एज आपका प्रिपरेशन लेवल को देख के they do it, right? I hope this is very clear. Now talking about क्या स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने अगर इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर किया होगा या फिर अगर आपने देखा होगा कि इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट कैसे करते हैं, ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस है जो कि टिपिकली हर इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं. लाइक टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस, आप अपने आप को 5 साल बाद कहाँ देखते हो, व्हाट प्रोफेशन डू यू थिंक और व्हाट पोजिशन डू यू थिंक इज अट्रैक्टिंग यू इन द कंपनी, आपको मेरी कंपनी क्यों ज्वाइन करना है, हम आपको क्यों हायर करें. आई थिंक दीज आर सम क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर टिपिकली आस्क्ड इन अ लॉट ऑफ नॉन टेक्निकल इंटरव्यूज. So for today, maybe for this webinar that we have a time limit, I would only cover one question that is very important, that is very crucial in any interview, that is how to answer the tell me about yourself question. I think ये सबका एक major part रहेगा, जो कि आप अभी हमारे there are 20 participants excluding me and Pratibha. So 18 participants, you would know how to answer tell me about yourself question. So to begin with, always ensure that you start with your education, then work experience, then your strength, and what are your future projection, right? So if you can read, so if you start with the name like, hello, my name is Suman Pathak. Agar aap ek fresher hai, so talk about your education. So what are you pursuing? For example, if you're pursuing BCom or you're pursuing LLB or any degree, so talk about that first. Then comes your schooling. Then talk about what interests you. What are the projects you have done in school? Majority, I am targeting freshers here. So I have prepared this answer based on freshers. Even for experience, you can still start with this. You can talk about your work experience first. Okay. So this is how it is. Now talking about your work experience. For fresher, of course, आपके पास अभी work experience नहीं है. तो आप फिलहाल अगर आपने इंटर्नशिप किया है तो आप उसकी बातें करेंगे, अगर आपने कोई स्किल्स सीखा है या आप ऑलरेडी कोई कोर्स कर रहे हैं, यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट, यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट योर अकम्पलिशमेंट। अगर आपने कॉलेज में इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं, सो यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दोज इवेंट्स, यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट योर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी, यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट योर अकम्पलिशमेंट। These all would come in your work experience. But अगर आप एक experienced working professional है, so definitely you're going to talk about the current responsibility you're holding in the company. Okay? You're also going to talk about your job. You're going to also talk about your skills. Skills in form of, for example, अगर आपने एक पोजीशन हायर ऑलरेडी की है, सो उस पोजीशन के बारे में आप बात करेंगे और उस पोजीशन से रिलेटेड आपने क्या स्किल्स ओन किया है, यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. ओके, नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ. अब आप में स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? स्ट्रेंथ एज इन मसल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं, दिस स्ट्रेंथ इज अबाउट what are your skills. If you say I have good decision making skills, I'm a good time manager, I am someone who can make who can solve problem easily, I have good negotiation skills. So जब आप ये highlight करो, always highlight in terms of what the other person is looking forward to. For example, job description है marketing executive का, तो एक marketing के बंदे के लिए उसको क्या आना चाहिए, तो उसके अंदर क्या स्किल्स होने चाहिए. ट्राई टू इंश्योर कि आप वो स्किल्स अपने स्ट्रेंथ में कहीं ना कहीं एड ऑन करें. दिस विल अट्रैक्ट द रिक्रूटर टुवर्ड्स योर प्रोफाइल. राइट, आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर विद एवरीवन. देन कम्स फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्शन और फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्शन. एज इन, अगर मैं आपकी कंपनी ज्वाइन करता हूं और एट द एंड if I am joining your company, I would be definitely working on my this skills, I would be definitely giving my this services, or I'll be definitely utilizing my skills and experience in your company. So आपका ये 4 points cover होना चाहिए whenever you talk about your introduction. Okay, so I think this was very clear to everyone. This is something which is nothing but CAR technique, as in context, action, result. अगर आपको सवाल पूछा जाए कि ओके ये एक सिचुएशन है, आप इसमें क्या करोगे, तो पहले आप उसके डिटेल दोगे, उस पे आपके एक्शंस क्या होंगे एज एन एम्प्लॉय. They might ask you certain question, and what are the results which you are going to get out of it is something which would be asked to you. Of course, मैं इसमें ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाना चाहूंगी because I think we have a time limit. But if you want to know this in more detail, get in touch with our further program. हमारे पास already ये सारी चीजों का बहुत डिटेल में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया हुआ है. We also hold certain programs where we can cover your interview preparation in detail. Even Know Your Talent and Job Sahi Hai is here as a platform to also give you jobs, and at the same time we will give you the right training regarding how you can crack your interviews. Okay, so these are some qualities every employer look on. So अगर आप में इनमें से कोई भी क्वालिटीज हैं, आप इन सब के बारे में बात कर सकते हो. इफ यू हैव अ गुड टीम वर्किंग स्किल्स, इफ यू नो द बिजनेस, या आपकी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी है, या आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में, या आपके अंदर मोटिवेशन बहुत अच्छा है, गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स है, अगर आप ऐसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने इंटरव्यू में एज स्किल्स, chances are higher that the employer or the recruiter might get attracted to your profile. So आप ऐसे कुछ methods हैं जो use कर सकते हैं while giving your interview. So this is just an overall gist. Now it's very important that what you need to do after interview. अगर आपसे सवाल पूछा जाता है end में, okay, for example, Pratibha. So let's take Pratibha as an interviewer. So Pratibha, do you have any questions for me? So Pratibha should not ask, okay मैम मेरी सैलरी क्या होगी. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हमेशा अवॉइड करिए. नेवर आस्क योर सैलरी और व्हाट बेनिफिट्स यू आर गोइंग टू गेट पोस्ट यू ज्वाइन द वर्क. ये क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछना. आप उन्हें क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो, ओके कंपनी में करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या क्या हैं, अगर हर एक टिपिकल डे कैसा लगता है आपके कंपनी में, व्हाट इज योर कंपनी कल्चर, व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स यू पीपल आर वर्किंग ऑन, या फिर आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या हैं एक एम्प्लॉय से अगर वो आपकी कंपनी को ज्वाइन करते हैं. सो यू शुड आस्क सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट. नेवर आस्क सैलरी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन, या नेवर आस्क मैम मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा ना. नेवर आस्क दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन योर एग्जिट, जब आप एग्जिट होने वाले हो, या फिर अगर आप आपका इंटरव्यू हो गया है. नेवर आस्क दीज क्वेश्चन, अवॉइड आस्किंग सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस. ओके, Now, coming to how do you exit from an interview? अगर आपका इंटरव्यू हो जाए, so these are something which you can say. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to hear from you. ठीक है? Never end it like, okay, thank you. No, it shouldn't be like this. I'm looking forward for your response. Kindly let me know कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. So these are some of the things which you should work on. आप अपने परफॉर्मेंस पे कैसे काम करोगे, कहाँ आप गलत गए, कौन सी चीजें आपको अवॉइड करनी है. So these are things you should keep in mind. Okay. So in all, so this was my suggestion for you all, that how you need to crack your interview. Now coming to just giving you in detail, I think we have a lot of participants. Anyone is having any questions? We are just left with some time. Yes, Vivek, Riya, Deep, Anil, Sudeep, do you have any questions? No questions? Okay, so in case if you are looking forward to know more in detail about what and how you can crack your interview, or how you can develop your personality, or if you're looking for job in detail, you can get connected with us. We are there to help you. Thank you so much, Chanchal, if all your doubts are clear. So definitely get connected with us. We might help you to crack interview. We might help you to develop your personality. And at the same time, if you are looking for any job opportunity, we also have medium of Job Sahi Hai. They will provide you with right candidature, and with right skills, Know Your Talent can also help you. There is also a job application form attached. Kindly get connected with Job Sahi Hai and also Know Your Talent to enhance your personality. Okay, over to you, Pratibha. You can close the session now.
Thank you, Suman ma'am.